G'day guys, welcome back to another video. So today, if you can see behind me, I'm putting in a new exhaust. So hopefully this thing is going to sound mint, but hopefully it all bolts on properly. Just having a look now at how it all comes together. So it's got a 3-inch exhaust on it already, but this one should sound better. Yeah, this one doesn't have a muffler and all that, so it's good. Alrighty, so we're going to do a before and after test, and hopefully it sounds a lot better. So that's before, and then now I'm going to start unbolting stuff and then put the new exhaust in, and hopefully it sounds better. So let's get right into it. Alrighty, so most of the bolts are undone now. That bit there's loose, that's hanging down, just got to take that out. So most of it's all done. I got to actually get that one out because that's 2 pieces there, but the 2 bolts connecting the muffler to the end bit is just rusted and I can't get it off, so I'm gonna have to try and wiggle it around and try and get it out somehow, but if not, I don't know what I'll do. I have a feeling taking the wheel off might help, but I'm going to give it another go before I start taking other stuff off. So taking all the wheel off, I probably just spent half an hour undoing 1 bolt. That one there I've got off. This one I've started grinding because yeah, I got the one off, but it's just not working. So I'm gonna just cut this bolt out, and then we're right to start putting the new exhaust on. So let's get it done. Woohoo! Oh, got it off. That was a bloody challenge. Probably woke the whole neighbourhood up. It's only like, I think it's like the afternoon now, so yeah. Alrighty, we're gonna start putting the new exhaust together, so the exciting part. Let's go. Righty, so the end of the piece is going in now. It's not too hard to actually install, but here it is so far. Put all the mounting points back on, so I've got this one, got the rubber back there just to hold it back up and out from the chassis so it doesn't rattle on that. Now I'm just gonna put this end pipe in, hook it up, and then yeah, we should have a new exhaust. Alrighty, that's in. So I'm gonna put the holding point at the end of the exhaust over there now, and then I'll come back and tighten this, and then we'll do a test and see how it sounds. Alrighty, cool. It's mounted now. Looks all good. I've got to tighten those bolts up now, so we'll tighten them up, and then boom, we'll have a new exhaust in. So let's get them tightened, and then we'll do a sound check. Woohoo! So the whole new exhaust is on. It's all mounted. It's all in there, all tightened up. We're gonna put the wheel back on, and then I'll do the sound check. That sounds heaps better. You got the turbo back. Oh, that sounds awesome. I'm gonna go take it for a drive now. I'll clean up and then I'll take it for a drive. Keep going. Bit harder. Alrighty guys, so that's the end of this video. I'm actually stoked with how it sounds from the outside. Doesn't sound too much different from the inside, but the outside is definitely a big change. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. But let me know if you like me doing all these build videos, because I'm starting to do a bit more, and yeah, I'd like to do them. It's just hard to do them by myself, so that's it. But yeah, see you in the next one. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's go.